are the ingredients that we need to make MOLAGA podi or chili powder. So we need about 12 to 14 dry red chilies. If you want to make it more spicy, you can add more. About 1 cup chana dal, 1 cup urad dal, about half a teaspoon hing or asafoetida or perungayam as they say in Tamil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. This is the secret ingredient which my mom uses, which gives an added flavor to the MOLAGA podi. This is white sesame seeds, about 1 tablespoon. Salt as required. Oil, about half a teaspoon, which we will use for sauteing these, dry roasting these dals and chilies. We use a good old-fashioned kadai to do that, and of course we need a blender to grind all of these above. So a little bit of oil, about half a teaspoon, and then we are going to add the chilies. Once the oil is heated, so I'm going to add the chilies, and we are going to add the dals. So I've added the urad dal and the chana dal, and you can see the dry red chilies. So just give it a nice mix. We are also going to add the 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, and we are also going to add the half a teaspoon hing. And that is it. We roast them until the red chilies turn a little bit brown, and the dals also turn a little bit brown, and the whole mix turns aromatic. So we are going to wait until that, and this is pretty simple to make, and you just make in bulk and store it, and it'll stay there for a long time. Store it in a bottle, and it's surprising because the kids love it. It is slowly changing color, and you can also hear that it's roasting. And keep sauteing so that you don't burn it. So make sure that you keep sauteing. Once you hear the mustard seeds spluttering, that's when you add the white sesame seeds. It has to be added towards the end. You can hear the mustard seeds spluttering. It's time to add the white sesame seeds, about 1 tablespoon, and just lower the gas flame and mix it up. And you will also hear the white sesame seeds spluttering. Once you hear the white sesame seeds spluttering, you just have to switch off the gas and allow it to cool. And then we are just going to grind all of the above into a coarse powder. I'm going to transfer this to a plate, and you can see that everything is well roasted. You can hear the white sesame spluttering. The mustard seeds have spluttered well. Now we are going to allow this to cool, and then we are going to grind this into a nice coarse powder and add salt, and that's it. Our MOLAGA podi will be ready in no time. So now that the mix is cooled down, we are going to put this in a blender and grind it into a nice coarse powder. Powder is ready, and I've grinded this into a nice coarse powder. And now final step is to add the salt. So I'm going to add the salt, about 2 teaspoons, and we are going to mix it up well, and you can store it in a nice bottle And that's it. You mix oil in it and then you serve it as a side to idlis, dosas, adais, anything. It's delicious. You won't feel the spice of it too much. Usually you can use any oil, but South Indians use the sesame oil to mix up the MOLAGA podi. It gives them an added flavor. So do try it at home and see you the next time at Vidya's Creative Corner.